Hello, welcome to my channel. In this lesson, I'll be teaching us how to perform basic date functions in Excel. Now we have basically two columns we want to work with. The first column is a column for order date, a date where a certain goods were ordered. In the second column is this column for the ship date, the date when the goods was actually shipped. Now the first task we want to consider is we want to get the date difference between these two dates. So when you're faced with this kind of challenge, what do? It's very simple. To get a date difference, just type equals to, you hit on the other date, sorry, the ship date, then minus the other date, then you hit on enter. You have the answer to be 3. So it actually took 3 days. Now the next one is, supposing something happened on this particular order date and you want to see what date will it be in 15 days time. The answer will be this particular date, then plus 15, then you hit on enter, you get this. The other case is, supposing something happened on this set date and you want to see the date it was 10 days ago, just hit minus 10, you hit on enter, you get this. Now if you want to extract this particular day, which is on the 8th of November 2018, I want to extract that particular day 8. So what you just do, just use the date function, sorry, the day function, open the bracket, I hit on the tab key, hit the bracket to get, then hit on this A2, that is the date itself, close the bracket, then hit enter. It extract the day for you, which is on the 8th day of that month. Okay, suppose you want to get the weekday of this particular date. What the weekday means is we actually have 7 weekdays in a week: the Sundays, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So we want to see what day of the week this day 8 of November 2018 represents. So to do that, we're going to use the weekday function. So this is a weekday. So the first argument is the serial number. So, or rather, we can actually come to this. Let's go with this. Let's just pick this date to see something. So if we pick this date to see, it's actually giving us 5. So what this 5 actually represents means that is the 5th day of the week. The 5th day of the week will correspond to Thursday. So I trust you understand how that was gotten. You can actually use your calculator, or sorry, your phone, to check this date. The 8th of November 2018, you will observe that is actually on Thursday. But in this case, it's coming in a number format as 5. We want to actually get it in a text format to show as Thursday. How do we get that? We're going to use the weekday name. So to get the weekday name, I will convert this 5 into the weekday name. So to do that, I'm going to use a text function. So I'll say text. So the value will be this 5, but I can just still use this particular date still. I'll hit a comma, then the format will be in double quotation. Let's go with DDDD in 4 places, close the quotation again, and then close the bracket, then hit on enter. So with this, you observe the weekday for this particular day, which is the 8th of November 2018, is actually on a Thursday. You ask, why am I actually adding 4 days? To get the full day, I'm going to add 4 days. But if you want to get a shortened day, you go, what do I mean shortened? Just the first 3 or 4 letters of the day of the week. So if I go with this, it's giving me just THU. But I want the full name, that's why I'm actually going with 4. So with that, I'm having the full name. I want to get a month number. So this is 11. I want to extract that 11. So I'm going to use the month function. So just the month function. I'll click on this, close the bracket, enter. It's giving me 11. But suppose you want to get a month name, I'm going to use a text function again. So the text function, I'll pick this. So for the month, I'll use double quotation MMM. Sorry, let me keep it in small letter, MMM in 4 places. Then close the bracket, close the quotation first of all, close the bracket, then hit on enter. So 11 corresponds to November. The last one is, suppose you want to get the end of month. So something happened on this date, you want to get the date it will be at the end of the month. So you can just use the EO month function to get it. So the EO month, so the first one is the start date. You click on this, comma. The next one is the month. So we want to get the end of this current month. We're going to type 0. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit on enter. So it's giving us 43434, which is not actually seeing it as a date function, as a date now. What you do, you come to this format, change it from general, and you change it to short date. So you observe, we'll get a date now, 30th of November 2018. Now this is to get the current date, end of the date of the current month. Now supposing you want to get a end date of the previous month, type -1, then hit on enter. It gives you the end date of the previous month. If you want to get the end date of the next month, you just hit it a positive one, then you hit on enter, it give you the end date of the next month. But in this our case, we want to get the end date of the current month, that will be 0, then you hit on enter, you get this. I trust you understand the concept now. So to get the answer for others, select the first answer you got, press your shift and control, then arrow to the right to highlight everything. Come to the edge here and just double click. So with this, you get the answers to all the other ones. So I trust you understand the concept of what I've explained in this date function. Thank you very much. That is all for this lesson. Like, share, and subscribe.